Welcome. If you're choosing a camera, especially as a first-time user, it can be overwhelming with so many options. How do you pick the right one? We recommend a budget-friendly, feature-packed option. It costs under $1,200 and offers advanced features. It covers 3 degrees and can be wall-mounted throughout your home. No desk needed, making it the best choice in this budget. Enjoy high-end features as you progress. You can add any advanced camera with this app. If you're buying a camera, this video is for you. We'll break down this camera, explore its features, and see how easy it is to install and use. Watch this video.
Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about our Maizic Smarthome Wi-Fi mini focus camera. So it's a very good camera. Its build quality is very strong and it's a 3MP camera. You can easily install it inside your office or inside your home and record videos. You can monitor it from anywhere. Whether you are in another country or in another country, you can easily watch its video recording from anywhere. So I'm going to tell you one by one about its features. What features you will get in it. I'll tell you one by one in this video. You get both night visions, color night vision and infrared night vision, which are very helpful. Let's move to the first feature, its app for live monitoring, V3AT Pro. You can connect it, turn on Wi-Fi station mode, and view the camera live from anywhere, even from another country, as long as the Wi-Fi range is near the camera. The second feature is its two-way communication. You will definitely get it. You can speak into this camera and also listen to all the recordings of the surrounding area. You will receive night vision features, as I mentioned earlier. It includes both types of night vision. You will have infrared night vision as well as colored night vision. So it includes both LEDs. It has white lights in addition to infrared lights, which will provide you with a day-like image even during the night. The fourth feature is its motion detection capability. You will also have motion detection included in it. Suppose that you are in your house. If it is not present and your camera is already installed in your home and the camera is switched on, then whenever any sort of activity occurs in your home, what it will do is it will first detect the motion. After it has detected the motion, it will generate an alarm and send a notification to your app, allowing you to be informed that some activity is happening in your home. Then what you can do is take action as promptly as possible. This is indeed a very beneficial feature it has. As long as there is motion in its view, it will continuously detect and keep generating the alarm. Once the motion ceases, it will automatically stop sending the alarm. It will also stop it. You get petal rotation as well inside it. This horizontal to 70 degrees, and it provides you vertical 90 degrees image. So you can do petal rotation as well inside it. So let's talk about the physical structure. First of all, you will get LED, because as I had told you, there is both color night division and infrared night division. So inside it, there is a 3MP camera and a white LED. It has 4 white LEDs and 4 infrared lights, which help a lot in night vision. And there is one sensor which does motion detection. What occurs is that at the rear, you have a single speaker, thanks to its intercommunication feature, which greatly enhances the experience. Additionally, at the base, there is a memory card slot and a reset button slot. The memory card slot supports up to 128 GB. It allows for memory recording, and there's also a reset button. I will explain both how to reset it and how to insert the memory card later in this video. If you wish to reset it, you will need to use a pin. There's a dedicated pin included within its box, which you can reset this camera by locating the slots at the bottom. Regarding the memory card, when you insert it, make sure to press it firmly. After pressing, you will hear a clicking sound, indicating that it's properly inserted. To remove it, simply press it once more, and the memory card will come out easily. Now, when it comes to resetting the camera, you will need a pin. You must press and hold the pin down for about 5 to 6 seconds. This action will reset the camera effortlessly. However, it's important to note that you should only perform this reset when there is a problem with the camera, such as when the password is not accepted or is shown as incorrect. In such cases, this reset process will be beneficial to you. To summarize, there is a power slot located at the bottom that powers the camera, and there are 2 antennas designed to further extend the range of its Wi-Fi. Additionally, there is a mounting stand at the back, allowing you to easily install it on the ceiling within a compact box. This was the physical structure of the device, and as I mentioned earlier, its build quality is notably robust. Now, let's examine the contents of its packaging to see what you receive inside the box. You will find one teaser camera along with one adapter, one USB to micro SD cable, along with one school packet and a set to power the camera. So how did you find this video? Please let me know in the comments. In the next section, I will explain its fixation, showing you how to configure it using its app, V3T Pro, and address any issues that arise during configuration. I will resolve all those problems. Thank you for watching.